BeneHeart C Series AED has passed a series of rigorous tests with its high quality and reliability. Passing the IP55 waterproof and dustproof test, the BeneHeart C Series remains active even under severe environments. The reliability of the device ensures that it is on standby to save lives anywhere, at any time. Vibration and shock resistance materials allows the BeneHeart C Series to cope with the challenges of various harsh conditions. The shell case is made of high-strength, impact-resistant PC materials. No fear of falling and bumping during emergencies. The device has also passed 1.5 meter 6 surface drop test, satisfying the need of putting it at any public places. It can be safely installed on the wall, such as gymnasiums, libraries, office buildings, etc. For more detailed information, please refer to the BeneHeart C Series AED Operator's Manual.